Now, South Korean President MoonJae-in is meeting his Russian counterpart Vladimir Putin in Moscow, as you can see, as Moon continues his three-day state visit. Let's go live now to where the two leaders are signing some bilateral agreements. They're actually witnessing these signing of agreements. Earlier, they discussed the recent denuclearization efforts on the Korean Peninsula, as well as regional cooperation. Moon met the Russian Prime Minister Dmitry Medvedev yesterday, and of course the timing of the visit cannot be discarded. He's also expected to attend the World Cup group match between South Korea and Mexico in Rostov-on-Don tomorrow. Moon Jae-in is the first sitting South Korean president to visit Russia in 19 years, and CGTN is now live streaming the event on our social networks, including Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Weibo, and CGTN app.
О сотрудничестве в области физической культуры и спорта.